Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install voice recorder on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Galaxy Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search voice recorder. Now just download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now just give this app these permissions. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed the voice recorder app on our smartphone. We have successfully installed the voice recorder app on our smartphone. And this is how you can install voice recorder on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.